How to make Oli paint effect in Photoshop. Add an image. Click Filter. Click Stylize, then click Oil Paint. Adjust paint setting. Click Fill Adjustment Layer. Click Solid Color. Choose a color. Click Blend Mode. Choose Hard Mix. Click Opacity. Opacity 46%. Fill 76%. Select Layer, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Fill Adjustment Layer, then click Gradient Map. Choose Gradient. Click Blend Mode. Choose Soft Light. Click Clipping Mask. Opacity 23%. Fill 39%. Select Layer, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Text. Write a text. Choose a font. Choose a color. Open Layer Style. Click Drop Shadow. Change color to black. Adjust a setting. Adjust the size. Select Layer, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Fill Adjustment Layer. Then click Color Lookup. Choose a LUT. Select Layer, right-click, then click Merge Layers. Click Filter, click Add Noise. Amount 16.32%. Image is done.